Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to transfer Ethereum from Zebpay to Trustwallet. So first go to your Zebpay account, then select Ethereum or type Ether. Then select sell. Then type who you want to sell this Ethereum. And then go to Trustwallet and click on the copy of the link on your Ethereum from Trustwallet. Go back to Zebpay and copy the link of your Trustwallet. Then send it. Now to confirm, use your fingerprint and your OTP. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.